Hey, welcome back and thanks for watching. Today I'm going to go over my first fertilization for the year. I'm doing two different things this year. I'm doing granular in the front yard along with the biostimulant pack. And then in the backyard, I'm doing entirely liquid fertilizer in addition to the biostimulant pack. So let's get to it. Okay, so the other day I applied CarbonX to my front yard. It was kind of in a hurry because of the weather, as you can see, and I didn't get to go over some of the details here. But this year, for my front yard, I can plan on using the CarbonX, the 2020 version, which is the same as last year's, but with the CRRP technology, is carbon release root promoting, um, with the peptides basically. And biochar infused with chicken poo. So I'm kind of excited to use this. Should be pretty good results. I've seen other guys use it. I've never used it before, but I got that out the other day. Um, this does come in two different size bags. This is a 45-pound bag, which is 24% nitrogen, 0 phosphorus, and 4% potassium. As you remember from my soil test results video, I'm going to avoid phosphorus this year. I'm kind of at the higher end of the recommended level, and I want to avoid it as much as I can. So I'm going to use this on the front yard this year. This is a 45-pound bag. It's available in both 45 and 24-pound bags now. But this one 45-pound bag covers 15,000 square feet if you do it at the recommended rate of 3 pounds per thousand, which is what I'm going to do this year. And that puts you out just under 3/4 of a pound of nitrogen per 1,000 square feet. Anyway, this stuff looks really interesting. The blue and you can see the biochar in here. I'm not sure what each one of these are, to be honest with you. But I tell you what, the colors in here makes it very easy to watch the spreader and where it's going. Makes so you're not over applying, or you want a little overlap, but not a lot. Anyway, didn't get too crazy with all the angles when I was applying this, as I was trying to beat the weather, and I just barely beat it. Anyways, here's a quick application of the CarbonX. Okay, for 1801 Greene Punch in the early spring and cool season lawns, that's what I have. Don't begin to ask me about warm season. Never dealt with them. Don't know anything about it. I'll put some stuff in the description below. You can, if you've got warm season grass, you can review info right from Greene County Fertilizer's website. I'll include below, as well as a link to where to purchase any of the Greene County stuff that you'd like. I am a Yard Mastery affiliate. I make a very small commission off any sales, but this year my whole plan is to do entirely Yard Mastery type products with a few minor exceptions. But for the 1801 Greene Punch, it does recommend for the early spring to use between 20 and 24 ounces per 1,000 square feet. I've got 1,500 square feet back here, so that's between 30 and 36 ounces. The orthodilon sprayer that I'm going to use holds 32 plus maybe a little bit more, so I'm just going to fill it. One thing with putting this out is you can use a backpack sprayer, but you need to immediately water it in. It does require a 20-to-1 dilution rate. With the orthodilon sprayer, you will exceed that. So I'm going to go ahead and use that for today, and in the future I may do a backpack sprayer or something like that. I'm trying to decide which way I like to do things best. But because I've got some rain coming, and I'm kind of trying to do this quickly, I'm just going to use the dial-in sprayer. I've kind of gotten used to it. I like the backpack sprayer more. I think I can control it a little bit better, but I'm just going to use this. So I'm just going to fill this up. Make sure you shake this really well. All right, so I got a little bit over the 32 ounce mark in here. There's probably about 36 ounces in here, so that'll be good for this. Let me get this set up and we'll get it sprayed out. That's it for today, guys. Pretty quick and simple. I'm curious though, what are you doing this year as far as if you're doing a liquid or a liquid fertilization? Are you using a dial-in sprayer or a backpack sprayer? I have both. I'm just trying to figure out which one I like better. I think the next time I put down any kind of liquid, I'm going to use a backpack sprayer and see how that goes. So that's coming soon. Hit the like button on the down below if you like the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Every little bit is encouraging. I appreciate it. And we'll see you in the next one. So if any of you are wondering how the glyphosate's going on the POA, it's definitely going. I'm probably going to do one more application tomorrow. As you can see, some of it is still kind of green there. I've since discovered, since I'm not mowing, it's been raining for the last 4 or 5 days, I have a lot more of it out here than I thought. So probably going to do a full renovation this fall to get rid of this stuff. Plus Pete at GCI Turf's got some really interesting ryegrass seed coming later this year. I really want to try it out. Anyway, just figured I'd give a quick update on that. We'll see you in the next video.